So as you can see online, everyone seems to be doing these SkyR bowls right now. So here's my version of a high protein chocolate style SkyR bowl. And this is the ingredients you're going to need. Blueberries. I've got some grapes here. Any fruit will do, if I'm honest with you. You can mix it up. This is one that I'm doing in particular. We've got some strawberries there. Kiwi. And for a bit of crunch, I'm putting in a touch of granola. And not forgetting a touch of dark chocolate. That's what you can see there. Just a square or two. And I'm going to add in, for a bit of flavour and a bit of cheekiness, a bit of Biscoff on this one. And then we've got this honey-like stuff and some peanut butter for flavour. That is powdered peanut butter, if you didn't already know. Good couple of dollops of SkyR, and then about a large teaspoon of the powdered peanut butter there. Give it a nice mix in. Next up, I'm going to squirt a bit of this honey-like substance to give it a bit more flavour. Another mix in. Next up, we've got some protein powder. This is chocolate protein powder. I'm just going to give it 1 scoop. Once we've done that, give it a good mix in. And it takes a good mix as well, by the way, once you do this. As you can see, very, very dry to begin with, but just keep mixing it and it gets better. Taste test time, and that is, oh, you what? As you can see, just putting all the fruit in now, guys. Kiwi, the blueberries, grapes, the strawberries. And now I'm chopping up the black dark chocolate there. Sprinkling it across. And that is almost ready to go. Just look at that bad boy for a SkyR bowl. I almost forgot to add in on the end there the Biscoff, so you can see a couple of dollops of Biscoff added on the end there, and that is the final looking SkyR bowl. Wow.